Hi guys, welcome to my another video. Today we are making a simple login page using HTML and CSS. So this page is also highly responsive to small and medium devices. So let's begin. So here we will add two files. One is HTML, index.html, and another is style.css. Now let's add our boilerplate. Let's change the title and link our style sheet. Okay, so we are done with our prerequisites. Now we will add one div with class name wrapper, and inside it we will add the form, and inside the form first we will have one heading. Now we will create another div. Class name is input box. Inside this div we will have our inputs. One is our username and another is our password. Okay, now let's add some icons to our website. We'll go to this website, then copy this link over here. Okay, add the link to our HTML file, and then we will search for our icons. Let me select this one. Okay, then we will click on the font tab and copy this link and paste it just below the input. Okay, similarly we will search some icon for our password. Okay, till now this is how our web page is looking. So now we will add another div to add one checkbox to our website. Okay, now let's add one submit button also. And lastly we will create another div for our register link. Okay, okay, our HTML part is completed. Let's go to our CSS and style our website. We will add our basic margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing as border box. Next we will style our body, where we will give display as flex, justify content as center, as we have to bring the login page at the center, and align item center. Okay, okay, for understanding purpose, for now we will keep the background green only. Later on we will change it. Okay, Okay, now we will style our wrapper class. Let's copy the class name and paste it over here. Now let's style our heading, that is login page. The heading looks good. Let's add some spacing between the heading and the input boxes. Okay, now we will add some styling to our input box. Now we can see that the input box and the placeholder is looking good. Let's position our icon properly. Okay, now the icon is looking good. Let's style the below links. Okay, next we will style our button. Let's copy the button class. We are done with the button. The button is looking quite good now. Now we will design the register link below the button. Okay, one mistake we have done here. We have to address the paragraph element inside the register link. So just correct it. Okay. Next we will add some styling to the register hyperlink. Okay, we want some hovering effect when you hover over the register hyperlink. So let's add some styling. We will add text decoration as underline, and when we will hover over the register hyperlink, it will change to red like this. Okay. We are almost done with our website. Now we have to just make few changes like the background color. We will add a background image now. We can see that the image is repeating itself. So we will write no repeat so that the image does not repeat itself. And background sizing we will give cover so that the image can cover the whole page like this. Okay. We will also change the background image of this wrapper class. We will keep it transparent, and backdrop filter we will give it blurred so that we can get that blurry effect. Okay, we will make another change. We'll make this input box transparent. So in the class input box input, we will make background as transparent. So it looks more decent. So our website is completed. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Do like, share and subscribe for more video like this. Bye.